The US Supreme Court has rejected President Donald Trump's bid to end birthright citizenship. The decision keeps intact one of the country's oldest constitutional protections for millions of immigrant families. It also brings relief after months of uncertainty. And the Indian American advocacy groups and lawmakers have welcomed this ruling with a lot of cheering. They said that it reaffirms a simple principle that has stood for more than 150 years, which is nearly every child who is simply just born on American soil will get American citizenship. For many immigrant communities, the decision was more than just any other court ruling. It has answered a question that's been hanging over thousands of households. And amongst those watching the case closely are especially Indian Americans. They are one of the fastest growing immigrant communities in the United States of America. Many families include parents working on H-1B visas or other temporary work permits, while raising children who, interestingly, were born in America and thereby are American citizens. Now, the H-1B program is another reason the ruling matters. Indian nationals have account for nearly 71% of all H-1B visa recipients in 2024. And that means a large number of skilled professionals could have been directly affected if birthright citizenship had been changed. According to the U.S. Census Bureau figures cited by the Pew Research Center, about 5.2 million people identified as Indian in the United States in 2023, and around 60% of Indian immigrants have lived in the country for more than 10 years. And more than half, about 51%, are now U.S. citizens. At the same time, the Justice Department has announced that it will continue to pursue what it describes as birth tourism schemes across the country. And officials have said that prosecutors will prioritize investigations into cases where individuals allegedly misrepresented the purpose of their travel for submitting false information during the visa application process. The department has stressed that the Supreme Court's decision protects constitutional birthright citizenship but does not shield fraud.